Hello. Welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to take a project backup and project restore in IGiS software. So, let's start. We have already created few vector layers in this project. Now, I want to back up this project so that I can keep all the layers in a single backup file and to share the files with other users easily. To take a project backup, first, we need to close the project. Go to the File section and close the project. After that, click on the Backup or Restore option under the Project Management section. Select the Backup option. Then, select the project from the list which you want to backup. Browse the specified location where you want to save the project backup file and give the name. Then, click on OK. A pop-up will open where it will ask about the Postgres version. Click on Yes or No as per requirement. Then, a command prompt will open. Here, type the password, that is IGiS, and press the Enter button. After a few seconds, the process has completed successfully. To see the backup file, go to the File Explorer. The project backup file has created in the specified location. Now, you can share this file to any user so that they can restore the files in IGiS software and reuse the layers as per their need. Next, how a user can restore the project from project backup file. To restore the project backup, again go to the Backup or Restore option. Select the Restore option and browse the backup file. Then, click on OK. Now, a pop-up will be shown. Here, you have to type the password, that is IGiS, and press the Enter button. After a few seconds of processing, the command prompt will be closed automatically, and the project has been restored successfully. Then, go to the Open Project option. Here, you can see that the restored project has been added in the project list. You can open the project from this option and use the layers accordingly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.